Sana lang dari ko.
Ako yung lali ko.
Jadi lali Arambai itu aku na palaro ko putana ko amo mana ko.
Nanganay ko na.
Punsida ay Arambai maming palaro. Ay na lan mene da. Ay Arambai maming punsida palaro. Buena tawagi ay Arambai maming palmene da.
Pero mana ya no mo na palaro ayo.
Ay mathong manong palaro.
Man bidaro.
Yare imbis itu mahal itu.
I'm sorry to all of you. I don't have any complaint about Arambai. It's just about our metaphor fight that we fought. We are both friends, we fought. And he called Arambai, so that's why we are getting punishments. And yeah, I'm asking for forgiveness from all of us, all of you.
Arambai maming sisinaraga mabani khanajabada koi Arambai gi maming paksilakpagi akoina kaukhalakana mabani samthon bani matungda di Arambai gi maming si amwana panbe ade maramdi nakoi khanajabagi thokpa dum khanabiu aduga Arambai mari sunai lendana noina Arambai sum paksanbase masi matungda di amwana tawba yade ko se Arambai ai se koi noi gi saru yawi bani akoina ngasi khun nga ko saliba imai ben mayam tumam jamam khangdana jingkhong jingya da leiba mayam se nakoina ngasi karban nungaina tawri se moigi mapan da gini imai ben singdugi mateng akoina mu pang mu khatani sida nakoina Arambai bu yam haitare aran momong da puthongna ba kaidong do hona ba do matung da taw da boyu ko yare ko nangi ming kari kawe
Tai yong Rahul.
kari
Rahul.
nangi surname di
Surname Rahul Dev.
Rahul Dev nangi di
Deepak Rai.
Dibak
Rai.
ngai pare matung da di nabani tawnaranu khusawnaro
Handshake.
Arambai maming amuan na pakano nabani khana bada ko Arambai ganu yo karim ta mari leina banate
But sir, I have a request from all of you guys. It's just telling not to bring any Arambai anymore to me. I have a request. I was very scared. So I texted my brother. He has some stuff in his Wakhan, right? They are from Arambai. So I texted him that like some people are calling me.
If he ever name Arambai again, just call us.
No, I'm just saying that. Please forgive me. I'm just telling that. Please don't tell him to not take Arambai anymore.
se nabani Arambai maming panbai da magta mayam da lanjare na hairo ko
Akoina Arambai gi naming pandada mayam da lanjare hayeng dagi hanchit dagi puchi dagi akoi Arambai naming pallaroi.
okay yare